Hi, and welcome to Silhouette Studios. Today we're going to do a tutorial on how to use Silhouette Studios. So to first start off, we're going to start with text. So we're going to go over and pretty much just show different styles of text we can do. So I'm just going to type hello, and we're going to highlight it. This is how you use it in Word just to change text. And then we can see all these different fonts you can use. Of course, some fonts are better to use depending on what your project is. But generally, any font that has really thick lettering, such as this font. Another one we can use is you can just make boxes and little shapes, and depending on what you want to use, what do you want to make, you can use these. And of course, you can do line tool, things like that. So now I'm going to show you how to make a sticker. So let's just say you just want to take an image offline and you're just going to make a sticker. So we have the image right here, and we're just going to zoom in with this tool right here. Zoom in a little bit more. And then we're going to go right here to this tool. And we're going to click Trace. And then we're going to highlight over the image you want to trace. And then, so you see how the yellow is not totally filled out? We want that because that's going to show what we're actually going to highlight, pretty much. So you can play with the high pass or threshold. I'm going to do threshold, but it just depends on your image which one you should use. So as you see, the more I bring this up, it gets better. And then we're going to click Trace when you're happy with what it looks like. You can always redo this again, so it's not a big deal if you don't get it perfect the first time. So now you can move the image you took offline over. Let's zoom in a little bit more. Alright, so that's pretty good. So what we can do, if you don't have to have the sticker perfectly like this, you can actually change things about it if you don't like it, or just want to have something else. So what we're going to do is we can right click, release compound path, and that makes everything separate from each other. Because at one point, before we released it, it was actually a whole. Now every piece is separate. So I actually don't want these little pieces inside the wheel. So I'm just going to click delete. And I'm also going to clean up this the little leftovers, just so we don't have to worry about that. And then you're going to highlight it again when you're ready. Make compound path. And then you're done. And then here's what the sticker will look like when you cut it out on vinyl. And then it has a transfer paper over, so perfect for transferring right over to your laptop or your water bottle, whatever you choose to put it on.